Ever since the age of 6, I suffered with my weight. I would go through challenges all through high school, my younger years, my adult life. At my highest recorded weight, at 581 pounds, I used to smile in public just for show. I lived my life with my family as a ticking time bomb. In February of 2017, I would hit my rock bottom and find myself in the hospital, suffering with ulcers on both of my legs. My body was deteriorating. I was scared to death. As a husband and father, I was desperate. In October of 2017, I would have RNY Gastric Bypass surgery. Not only did it add years, it saved my life. I would go on to lose over 235 pounds, and I was finally living, not just breathing. I have been able to get my youth back, as well as share my life with family and friends. No more seatbelt extender on the airplane, date night and go-karts with my wife, tubing and kayaking up north. And my favorite, riding a bike. These are just a few of the things that could never have been imaginable at 581 pounds. Now I've adapted a ketogenic lifestyle and created this channel to hold myself accountable, but also to share my journey and experiences along the way. If I'm able to help just one person on their own journey, then it was well worth it. Weight loss is based solely off of hard work and support. If you're still here, please subscribe as I continue to work hard, stay consistent, and be patient. Thank you.